go put it back. Put the crayon dito. AF. I forgot.
Head and shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and shoulders.
Well, ew, my dog has eyebrows. And mommy crying. Let's bite.